If you're over 50, 60, or entering retirement, the decision to buy a home looks different. Your priorities, your budget, your lifestyle, even health all play a bigger role now than they might have years ago. I'm Nigel Wingate with Coldwell Banker American Homes, a New York realtor, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you should consider when buying a home later in life. The benefits, the risks, what to look for, and how to make wise choices so your home fits you now and later. If you need a realtor in New York, you can contact me using my info down below in the description. And if you need a referral for an out-of-state realtor, I have trusted contacts that I can share down there as well. Just check out the description. So first, and most important thing to consider is financial readiness. This is absolutely essential. By this stage, many of your income sources may have changed: Social Security, pension, distributions from retirement accounts, possibly part-time work. Okay, so think deeply about what stable income you have now and what you expect later. Factor in property taxes, maintenance, insurance, utilities, unexpected repairs. Run the numbers so that your monthly housing costs do not exceed what's safe relative to your fixed income. Also, preserve a substantial emergency fund so you're not stuck for repairs or other unexpected expenses, because these things can all start to add up very quickly. Second, mortgage options and debt strategies. Just because you're older doesn't mean you can't nor shouldn't take a mortgage, but the type and term should really fit your plans. So shorter mortgages, 15-year, even 10-year, may cost more monthly but finish quicker, reduce long-term interest, and give you more payment freedom later. So if having monthly payments is something that bothers you, paying cash or making large down payments may make sense, but don't drain your reserves. Also look into more creative options. So some lenders will accept asset depletion, such as using savings as income, or there may be reverse mortgage options if income is limited. So make sure your credit score is in good shape and understand how age, credit, and income type affect what lenders require. Okay, very, very important to understand these things. Okay, so third, location and home design for aging in place. So I really want you to think about not only what you want now, but what you'll need 5 to 10 years down the road. Okay, so single story layouts, minimal or no stairs, wide doorways, non-slip flooring bathrooms that can accommodate grab bars or walk-in showers. Also factor in being close to healthcare, such as clinics, hospitals. You want to be close to pharmacies, grocery stores, as your mobility or transportation may change over time. So consider whether snow removal or upkeep of large yards might be something that becomes burdensome to you as you get older. If you plan to age in place, pick homes that can adapt without massive renovation. So, don't get homes with a bunch of stairs. You might need to end up getting an elevator or something, right? That can be very expensive. Fourth, downsizing and balancing space with ease of maintenance. So many people over 50 find themselves with more space than they need or too much upkeep. A smaller home or condo can free up cash, reduce maintenance burdens, and simplify daily life. But you'll want to preserve what matters. Okay, good natural light, storage, comfort. At downsizing, think carefully about how much space you really need and what amenities you still want, right? So do you want a garage? Do you want a yard? Do you want access to public transit or recreation? Also consider whether your current home's equity could help fund the move, right? So these are some additional things to really think about. Okay, fifth, life planning and future flexibility. Where do you want to be in 5, 10, 15 years? Will you want to travel more, spend more time with family, possibly need caregiving support? Will you want to move closer to help or to more affordable areas, or perhaps a retirement community? Buying a home that allows for some flexibility Selling, renting, or relocating can prevent being stuck later. So also consider estate planning, how this property will factor into what you pass on, whether there are inheritance, tax issues. These are also very, very important things that you should consider. Sixth, risks and what to watch out for. As we get older, unexpected health costs or care needs tend to increase. Repairs, maintenance, or even disasters, storms, flooding, hits differently when mobility or budget is constrained, right, by unexpected things that happen. Okay, be cautious about homes with major renovation needs unless you have the resources. Also, assess potential resale value. If you ever need to move, you want a home that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Don't get locked into something that looks perfect for you now, but will be hard to sell. So it's very important to check neighborhood stability, infrastructure, access to services, taxes, HOA or condo fees. You really want to make sure that you're doing thorough research on these things. Okay. Seventh, emotional and lifestyle satisfaction. Buying later in life is often about comfort, enjoyment, family, and legacy. You may want features like a peaceful setting, nice views, proximity to friends or family, low stress of home maintenance, social opportunities, right? Value not just the house, but the community. Are there social activities, senior programs, cultural amenities, nature walks, etc., right? Don't sacrifice joy for cost alone. Okay, your home needs to serve you. You want to be in a place where you're truly happy and you feel like you can thrive. Eighth, hidden costs to budget carefully. Property taxes often keep rising. Insurance, especially flood, storm, or older homes. These things can all spike. Maintenance, roof, plumbing, HVAC, these can rise. Utilities may be higher if the home is larger, if it's older, or if it's just overall just less efficient. Also, closing costs, moving expenses, potential renovation for accessibility all add up. So get detailed inspections, structural, mechanical, perhaps environmental. Get bids or estimates if fixes are something that is very likely for the home. Ninth, make the buying process smoother. Some tips to do this: get pre-approved before house hunting so you know what you can afford. Work with an agent, experienced with senior retirement clients. Visit homes at different times of the day. Test the daily commute or distance to services. Bring someone with you who can spot issues such as stairs, layout, lighting issues. If possible, stay in the area you're considering temporarily or rent there first so you experience what daily life would feel like. Also, negotiate for items like assistive features or small repairs as part of the sale. These are all very important things to consider. Okay, 10th, weighing pros and cons. Pros: owning a home gives stability, equity, potential tax deductions, the satisfaction of having your ideal space. It can be more predictable than renting. You build something that you can pass on to heirs. The cons are less flexibility, more responsibility, unexpected expenses, perhaps being stuck if health or lifestyle demands change, and possibly less time to benefit from appreciation if you buy later in life. So if you are considering buying a home over 50 or 60, take your time. Study all these factors and make a plan that gives you both comfort now and flexibility later. If you're looking for help figuring this out here in New York, reach out using my contact info in the description. And if you're out of state, once again, I can connect you with a reputable realtor wherever you are. So if this video helped you, please hit subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell. That way you don't miss out on future real estate and retirement home tips. In the comments, tell me what your biggest concern is. Is it mortgage? Is it location? Is it maintenance, change of lifestyle? I'll try to address them in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. And here's to finding a home that fits you beautifully at any age. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.